Okay, I haven't done a video for a while, but here's just a quick one for my what I'll call a mini awning. Really all it has to do is go over the table enough that I can lean out in the morning and make a cup of tea right there where the table is. So pretty simple arrangement. We've got the roof racks, we've got brackets attaching a 20 by 20 straight length of tube, aluminium tube. Got a bracket going the other way, this way, just to add strength. A couple of drop down bolts at the front, and then just a couple of metal sprung brackets to clips to keep it all in tow. Actually, I've only put one here, I'll do another one. And then we have another piece of frame, and what that does is it goes into the sockets underneath, and I do a reusable zip tie in the corner here. It's butted up against the roof rack bracket. We've got a slot in there. Come down here a bit further, we have another slot. A little bit further, we have another slot, and then we have the ocky strap going over to the extension bit to give it a bit of tension. And normally I've got the middle bit here, and normally I've got a bit of dowel. I've got to find it comes out a bit further, and it gets rid of the droop a bit, straightens it out. But the droop's not bad because it makes it run off. So there we have a mini van awning, and it goes up in my console in the van, so it all folds up nicely, and there's no poles, no ropes, no dramas. And I just here's the van, and yeah, and I fold it up and put everything up in here, hockey strap and the little poles and what have you, and yeah, just all goes up in here. So nice and handy, like I said, just lean out on a winter's day. And this is off the clothes rack, but it came out because it's got a bit of width to it. It adds more support on top. So yeah, and as I said, it all fits up in there quite nicely, just up in here with my other prospecting gear, like there's the bait pump, for example. So yeah, and the next van, I won't call it the new van because it's not. She's just about done. We're waiting for a 100 amp hour lithium battery for that. We've set up a secondary battery over here, an AGM, and a few outlets. So, and we got the inverter here, but I really want this guy here to be dedicated for the fridge. And yeah, then soon we're a couple of weeks away from going to the mechanics to get new timing chain and some other stuff put on. And then we can hit the goldfields, and timing should be good. It should be raining a bit more by then and moving it about. So yeah, they said this one here was 350, but you know, pigs might fly, I think. This guy here, that's meant to be 350 as well. At least it's got a bit more width to it, so I'm really curious to see how we go with that. And both of them underneath on their compliance plates, they do not say how many watts. This one has a model number ending in 350. This one I can't remember. I forgot to take a photo of it before I put it on, but I knew instantly when I rigged it up by the size of it and the output, it was definitely not 350. So anyway, folks, yeah, looking forward to getting on the road. I'm pretty happy with the new van. I normally got the old Obot. We got the guardian angel of prospectors looking over me. So yeah, pretty happy. Cheers.